We are in the midst of a huge winter storm, and I thought I'd just show you a little bit of it. We shoveled our driveway 3 times so far. This started yesterday at about 4 o'clock. So it's been 26 hours. Right now there isn't too much drifting going on. This is my backyard. Beautiful view of the trees. It's beautiful. But it's not supposed to stop for another day and a half. I'll get back to you as we're going and let you update you on what's going. I just thought I should videotape this because we get snow all the time, but this is an extreme snow event where it's above and beyond. So I'll be taking the scoop in. It was buried. We're afraid we wouldn't be able to find the shovels in the morning. Oh dear. So that's at least 3 feet on the step. It's up. It's almost up to the top of the fence line there. If I didn't have to shovel this tomorrow, then try to go to work. Might be nice. You hear the wind? The wind is starting to pick up now, which means it's going to start to drift. And I seem to live right on the driveway. Oh dear, look. That's our rendezvous. There's the tire down there, but if you can see that. Yeah, there's the snow. It's getting a little scary around here. Alright, it's the morning. That's almost to the rooftop. We did shovel right here. Back there. It doesn't seem to be snowing as heavy right at the moment, but it's still coming down.
Yeah, this is what we woke up to this morning. Have a look at this. This is wicked. Can't even see the car. Car's buried down there. Wow. It's a lot of snow, man. 100 centimeters, dude. Well, not quite 100 centimeters yet. This is going to go right until tomorrow. This is bad. Bad. Alright, folks. We'll keep you updated. Hey, everybody. Take a look at this. Got the step done. That's only a little bit there. Big mountain of snow here. That thing. And the driveway. Look at that. That's the car down there. Buried. All kinds of fun. All kinds of fun. Oh my. Alright, we'll get back to you.